Start off with these strings, absolutely drenched in reverb. Layer a super quiet guitar underneath. Start off the drums with this pretty full-on hi-hat pattern that sort of goes backwards sometimes. Then just chuck a clap where you'd expect. Fill in the gaps with a snare and open hat. Chuck a kick on the downbeat just for a bit more punch. And finally, layer an 808 under all of that. Of course it's got to be the Spins 808, anything else is almost sacrilegious. And here's what it should sound like.